Virginia bluebells, another one of my favorite flowers. They bloom early in the spring in April, and then they go away after that. Here they are, very, very young when they first come up out of the ground. And these here have all reseeded themselves over the years that I've had them. And here's some they're just starting to bloom. And you can see the little pink flowers in there. The buds for the flowers come out pink and then gradually turn to blue. And they're hardy in hardy perennial in zones 3 through 9. And here in Illinois, they bloom in April. And then they're pretty much gone after that for the rest of the year. And they'll come back up in spring. Here you can see they have nice blue flowers, and they bloom at the same time as daffodils and bleeding heart. So they're really good to plant with bleeding heart. You can see the flower buds are pink, and then they turn to blue as they grow. They like a lot of shade and moist, rich soil. After a few years, they'll just spread all around the flower bed. And you can see they're doing pretty good here, even in the vinca minor and the other ground covers. This area here was started with, I think, just 3, and they've spread to this many in probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 years. And so, yeah, they reseed themselves and spread around. So I'm assuming that you don't want to disturb the ground around them if they're dropping seeds that don't germinate until next spring. That's a Queen Anne's lace. That's a bleeding heart. That's vinca minor blooming. I planted these bluebells at the same time as all these daffodils because I had read that they bloom together.